Hello everybody, this is Jacob with Nexus. I am here at 61 Reed Street, located in East Providence, Rhode Island. This is a gorgeous, renovated, updated, single-family ranch-style house with 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and much, much more. So we're going to begin the walkthrough, of course, right on the outside, the front side of the house. Again, located in East Providence, a very neighborly area, all residential. Got a wide open front yard, driveway off to the left, perfect for, I would say, up to 2 to 3 cars. Goes all the way to the back and extends towards the gate over there that actually leads to your backyard. Cool, cool. You got the front door right here, leads straight to the living area. And before we head inside, let's actually go check out that backyard. So, again, all fenced in. Got this gate that leads straight to it. And lots of opportunity back here. It's a very wide open backyard. As you can see, lots of space. Perfect for a couple pets because pets are allowed. So lots of space back here. As you can see, it does have the door that leads down to the basement, which we'll also be checking that out. I just wanted to show off the backyard you got here. Very impressive. All right, so let's go ahead and actually enter through the side door right in the driveway. And this door actually leads straight to your kitchen space. So welcome. Again, gorgeously renovated throughout the entire house. Starting in the kitchen space, you got a beautiful vinyl wood flooring in here. Brand new, ready to go. On top of that, the entire unit houses a fresh coat of paint, and you'll see it throughout every single room. Lots of kitchen cabinets all around, down below and above. Got a wide open countertop space, matches the gorgeous backsplash you got. Lots of outlets for additional kitchen plug-ins, and all stainless steel kitchen appliances. This includes, of course, the stainless steel stove and oven, the built-in stainless steel microwave, the dual bin stainless steel sink, and the large size stainless steel refrigerator. Fantastic. So that's basically your kitchen space here. It is connected to the living area. Let's check that out next. So, living space has a very wide open layout. Lots of opportunity, once again. Plenty of outlets for an entertainment system, TV, what have you. Bright, wide open windows. Gives you some good street views and good view of your front yard. As you can see, a gorgeous repolished hardwood flooring. Same hardwood flooring you'll see in both bedrooms. And of course, the living area does house the front entryway to the household. Excellent. So, again, that is the living space. Next, let's check out the bathroom. So basically, you got this hallway right here, leads to the 2 bedrooms and the bathroom. First is the bathroom. So, gorgeous tile flooring in here. Got a wide open sink area, some large cabinets underneath for some bathroom storage. The built-in mirror vanity up above. Cool, cool. And over to the left, you have a full tub and shower hooked up and ready to go. All right. Bathroom also houses a small little closet off to the side of the tub, so you do have some additional bathroom storage along with the sink area and the mirror vanity. So that's always a nice touch. All right. So over to the left is the first of 2 bedrooms. This is the smaller of the 2 bedrooms, but this bedroom's perfect for a twin, full-size, full Excel size bed set. Again, repolished hardwoods. You got new light fixtures in here, fresh paint, wide open windows, lots of sunlight into this house. I'm sure you've already noticed that throughout the walkthrough. And both bedrooms do have their own closet spaces. This one's over here in the corner. All right. So, again, this is the smaller of the 2 bedrooms. Next, we'll be checking out the larger bedroom. All right. So, this is the bigger of the 2 bedrooms. Perfect for up to a queen bed set. So, queen, twin, full, all should be able to work in here. Again, gorgeous repolished hardwoods, fresh paint. This unit is hooked up and ready to go. And pretty wide open windows, lots of sunshine, and again, your own closet space. Awesome. Last but not least, I just want to show off the basement space that you have. It's right in the hallway. So you have this refinished part of the basement right down here. And it's pretty cool. It's awesome as a lounge area. You got this bar set up right here. Very unique. Going off to the side. Perfect setup, again, as a lounge area. You could put a TV down here, no problem. Lots of outlets. Fresh paint as well. Does house an extra closet for storage. And you also have this space over here. You can use it in a multitude of ways, but through that doorway over there actually leads to a separate storage space and also houses in-unit laundry hookups. Tenants would just have to bring their own washer and dryer. Awesome. So once again, this is 61 Reed Street, located in East Providence, Rhode Island. Before I go, I'd like to remind everybody, as always, to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel. That way you can keep up to date with all the listings that we have available on our website. And of course, any news related to real estate and property management will be located there as well. Thank you very much.